The labor market ends the year on a soft note. The jobs report was special considering it was the first on-time report in 3 months, but I'd say the data was, well, kind of lackluster. Non-farm payrolls in December increased by 50,000, which was short of the estimate of 76,000. Now, the 2 prior months also saw downward revisions that totaled 76,000 jobs. For the full year, payroll employment grew by 584,000 jobs, which equates to a monthly average gain of 40,000 new jobs per month. Now, this was far less than the 2024's gain of 2 million jobs, or about 168 per month, 168,000 per month, and actually registers as the worst payroll growth outside of a recession since 2003. While all this might sound troubling, it is important to remember that changes to government jobs had a large impact on the data. Since reaching a peak in January, government employment fell by 277,000 jobs. This is a positive for taxpayers, less government expense. This also created a huge headwind for headline payroll growth. With that said, the labor market was still in a slower growth environment, and I continue to believe that will be the case as we move forward, considering the unemployment rate still remains healthy at 4.4%. It's also important to remember that of those counted as unemployed, about 26% or 1.9 million people are considered long-term unemployed as they have not had a job for 27 weeks or longer. I always do wonder how actively these people are looking for a job. In terms of area of strength in the report, both healthcare and food services and drinking places, will they remain healthy? Healthcare employment was up 21,000 a month, and for the full year, average monthly gains of 34,000 jobs. This was down from 2024's monthly average of 56,000, but still very strong. Food services and drinking places saw employment grow by 27,000 jobs in the month, and for the full year, well, they averaged monthly gains of about 12,000 per month, and that was similar to 2024 average, about 11,000 jobs added per month. Retail trade was the real headwind for the month as employment declined by 25,000 jobs. This could be due to seasonal changes, but it was interesting to see retail trade employment show little net change in both 2024 and 2025. The other major industries in the report showed little to no change in the month. Overall, I believe this continues to show that we remain in a slow hire, low fire labor environment, and I don't see much evidence that's going to change much for the entire year. I'm Brent Wilsey with Wilsey Asset Management. If you like these videos, well, be sure to give a like or comment, and feel free to check out our other YouTube videos and weekly newsletter for the latest economic news, expert analysis, and market insights.